Hi everyone, this is Team 3JS and we are presenting our project ZeroMove. Actually, we are building the next-gen Aptos and Move development environment, and it's a platform for every pro and all the beginners to start their journey, right? So we simplify the process of initializing and setting things up. You just need to focus on writing your smart contract, nothing else. Everything else will be handled by us, right? So this is our landing page. You get a IDE customized for Move language, and you get a build panel and deploy panel, right? So let's get started. We will initialize. We will connect our wallet. I'll connect our wallet. It has the backend setup. I will load a new project. We can also create a new one. For now, I will just load a new project here. Right. Let me click. There is a pop-up warning since we are in beta, and we have also tested this application to multiple users in build on Aptos, a hackathon held at Delhi Maiden's Crown, and we have tested this application with multiple builders and hackers present there, and we have got a very great response from them. And we saw a lot of people struggling to solve the issues of setting their CLIs, and we just simplified it for them, and they did not need to do anything. Okay, so this is a smart contract. Okay, so we can just type things, and it will automatically give intelligence like that, and we can just type things up. We can use these kind of things, and then we can write things. Let's see other things like this. We get a complete intelligent customized for moves language, right? And apart from that, let's load a saved one. Yeah, we can save this to our backend storage also. For now, let's load a working code from our website only. And this load. This is a to-do list. They give the smart contract. For now, for the contract deployment, we will either initialize a new system from our system only, or if we have a private key of our own, we will just set it up here, and it will create the environment based on your private key. Right. So for now, let's initialize a new one. I will initialize it. Right. It has given me a faucet URL and a private key. I can save this private key for further use. I will just copy it and keep it here. Right. And I will use this faucet link to mint some tokens so that I can show it to you by deploying it. I will just mint some apt in testnet. It has been minted, right? I'll just move on, and I will then compile this. These things take a time of around 10 to 15 seconds, depending on the code that you have. So we can see it has been compiled successfully, and we can see the response. It has no errors as of now because it's a complete code. Next, we will just deploy it. Since I've minted some tokens, I will be able to deploy it under this specific account that we have got. We will just deploy it. You can see it has been deployed successfully. Right. This is the transaction hash and all the sender IDs, sender details. Right. You can see it's just got deployed at this moment. You can see the timestamp and the gas fee and all those things used here. So it has uploaded the smart contract onto our address. Next thing, good thing is that this any beginner or anyone will not have to rely on writing the codes for their own projects. They can just click on the get front end integration function, and they will get the integration codes for setting this up in their own projects for React, Next.js, or anything. They get the already predefined codes adjusted to their address, their environment, as well as their specific smart contract. It has given the integration functions to call things up also, and this way it goes. Right. So we have other parts where we are building a no code builder block where you can make your smart contract just by dragging the blocks. This will enable move contract deployment and building easier for everyone. So this is our submission for control this move, and we hope to create a significant impact to the user base, and thus we are submitting this to create a bigger impact. Thank you.